Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the Now bar to see real-time updates on your lock screen. So the Now bar is a feature that displays live updates like music, deliveries, or ongoing activities directly on your lock screen in a sleek bar format. So here I've got a timer which I've enabled, and I can go ahead and see the update of that timer on my lock screen right here at the bottom. So this is a timer where I have maybe 8 minutes and 50 seconds left. And from my lock screen, I can go ahead and keep track of that timer. So let me show you how to enable different apps on Now bar to show you live updates on your lock screen. So here you need to go ahead and open up settings, scroll down and find lock screen and AOD. Now here you want to tap on Now bar. Now in the Now bar, you can go ahead and see all of these different updates. So you can see updates on your media player, your maps, Samsung Health, interpreter, a clock, voice recorder, Samsung Notes, SOS, SmartThings, and Samsung Wallets. So these are all the things where you can see live updates on your lock screen. So go ahead and turn on any of the features you require, and it'll show you live updates on your lock screen. So you don't have to unlock your phone or pull down the notification shade. Everything is visible at a glance, keeping you updated in real time. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn on the Now bar to see real updates on your lock screen for your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.